Today, I'm going to show you how to create a quiz game on JuicemInd. I've used other quiz programs such as Kahoot and Blooket in the past, but I've decided to give JuicemInd a shot as I use the platform for coding exercises, and it does have some coding specific options I would like to try. I like Magic School AI for assistance with writing review questions. One of the hardest parts of writing multiple choice questions is writing the wrong answers. With AI assistance, I don't have to worry about that. Sometimes I will feed in questions and just ask it for answers, but for review, I will often let AI write it all. I do ask for extra questions so I can review my options and pick the ones that best fit our lessons. I'm going to ask for 20 questions about some CSS concepts that we have covered in the last week. Magic School can also translate, so I will ask for questions and answers in both English and Spanish. I'm going to ask for 20 multiple choice questions, and I'm going to ask for them in both English and Spanish. See the way it generates the questions, it makes it very easy for copying and pasting. You can see the questions are bilingual, the answers are bilingual. Once I've reviewed the questions and I know which ones I want to use, I'm going to head over to JuicemInd to start building the quiz. Signing up as a teacher on JuicemInd is free and easy. And once you have signed up and logged in, you're going to click on Create and select Quiz. And all that's left to do is start filling in the questions. Now, when you look at this drop down, it only gives the choice of multiple choice, fill in the code, or spot the error. But when you click this plus to add a new question, you get other options. I am just going to work with the multiple choice questions. They said the copying and pasting can be a little bit monotonous. I prefer to do it with 2 screens, but I'm going to do my best with what I have here. All right, paste in the question and then each of the answers. So you have to take one answer at a time. Okay, I'm going to add one more question to this quiz, and then it's going to be a multiple choice. Go back over. We'll take this one. For just one more example of the copy and paste. All right, and then when we save it, we're going to give it a name, CSS Review 2. After you click Save and name your quiz, you'll be able to access it from the My Quizzes section of your JuicemInd. So I just created CSS Review 2. Let's give it a play. In order to play it live with the class, we're going to push Start. You can also assign it to your class to do on their own time. We can preview it. You can share it. You can edit it from this screen. But we're going to go ahead and we are going to play live. And this gives you a pin. So I'm going to copy that pin. Your students have to go to play.juicemind.com, enter the pin number, stay logged out, and we will go. So I just want you to see how the screen appears to your students. But first you have to, as a teacher, start the quiz, and then the student, it'll look like this for them. Purpose of the box model. They click it, tells them whether they were right or wrong. The teacher then has to, on their screen, move on to the next one. Okay, I went through and I finished the game. At the end, the leaderboard, it will give you obviously first, second, and third place. So that's the basics of JuicemindQuizzes. Quizzes. As I said, there's other places where you can do quizzes like this. You can do it in Kahoot, you can do it in Blooket. They each have their benefits. I like the JuiceMind because I do the coding exercises as well, and I can do coding and quizzes all on the same platform. But you know, that's a personal choice as to what fits in best with your curriculum and your lessons.